How to lock Facebook profile on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile name at the top. This action takes you to your personal profile page. Here, tap on the three-dot icon located next to the Edit Profile button to open more options. From the list of available options, find and tap on Lock Profile. A screen will appear explaining that only friends will see your photos and posts. To proceed, tap the Lock Your Profile button at the very bottom. A pop-up will confirm that you have successfully locked your profile. Following these steps, you can easily lock your Facebook profile on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.